I was so scared to have a journal. I was terrified. I had fear of having a journal. All of you who are part of the self-improvement journey, we know that a lot of gurus, a lot of people who are into own journey have their own journals. They write down the thoughts, their fears, or their achievements, what has happened to the day-to-day life. And I had fears of it. I started having a journal a few days ago, and it really does help. It really does help. But then there was a setback personally that made me feared of having one, and I was so terrified. Before I start all that, my name is Bill Hassia. I talk about my self-improvement journey. Please subscribe to my channel and see more. So when I had these journals, I wrote down my goals, I wrote down my aspirations, who I am. It got me to know who I was. Writing down is much better than thinking in your head. My advice is never do that. Okay, you never do that. That is the worst ever thing you can do. You would forget stuff, or you would procrastinate more. If you write stuff down, write what you're thinking in your head to the paper down, you accomplish it more. The question is, in this video, why was I scared of having a journal? Or why is people scared of having a journal? The reason is, when you write all your stuff down in a journal, all the things that you feared, all the things you've gone through in your past, everything, and you read them, okay, you read them and you feel flashbacks, PTSD, anything like that. It's just you think about the past and it comes to your mind and you just feel more insecure, depressed. And it really does hurt when you read that, because you feel that kind of emotion in your heart. But when I watched Hamza's video, you know Hamza, that YouTuber I've been watching, you see him just right here. He made a journal, he does journaling. With journaling, it is not for the reader to read it, it's for the writer. You are the writer, you are part of the journal. You write stuff down. You don't read it, you write it down. That's what is part of it. You never should read it. Ever. You always have to write and new stuff every day. Having a journal is one of the best things ever, because you can just write down how you're feeling and have a gratitude as well. Have a gratitude, write what you're grateful for every day. It can be one thing, it can be like more than one thing. It can be, you can write the same thing you're grateful for every day, because it will actually help you remember it, but also help you feel more satisfied, more grateful. Doesn't matter how good the journal from the outside is. You can get any piece of paper, okay, or any booklet, like any old school folders, anything like that. Just write it down, write it down. Don't look back at it. And that's what I try not to do, okay? I try not to look back at it, read because I always put the dates down. When I write a piece of paper during the day, during the morning and night, I write the date down and write what happened today and what I'm grateful for, or what I can do better. That's for you to remember and just write it down. So this is the end of the video, guys. Please get a journal, okay? You can get them in Poundland. If you know, Poundland is a pound store in the UK. It will help you change your life for the better. This is Bill Hassia. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more self-improvement tips. Thanks guys for watching. Take care.